Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup product feed files for shopping ads using Merchant Center step by step clearly. Open your web browser and navigate to the Google Merchant Center website. Log into your Merchant Center account using your credentials. Once logged in, locate the Products section in the left sidebar. Click on Products to expand the menu options. Select Feeds from the drop-down list. In the Feeds section, you will see a list of your product feeds. Identify the feed you want to back up. Click on the name of the feed to view its details. On the Feed Details page, look for the Feed Rules tab. You may want to download the feed file directly. Scroll to the Download section on the page. Select the format for your backup file, typically CSV or XML. Click the Download button to initiate the download. Once the file is downloaded, navigate to your computer's Downloads folder. Open the folder to locate the downloaded feed file. Select the file and copy it to your preferred backup location. Consider creating a dedicated folder for your Merchant Center backups. If you use multiple feeds, repeat the process for each feed as necessary. To ensure a complete backup, review the downloaded files for accuracy. Regularly update your backups to avoid data loss. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.